I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there. And a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean, say attack. Some viewers and subscribers. Yes, right about now, my people. Again. I want to send out my deepest condolences to Aidonia and his wife, Kimberly, my people. And to all the family and friends. You understand? For this local youth and all my people, Khalif. You know what I mean? King Khalif, who passes away, sadly, at the age of 9 years old. See? I do a vlog on it already, my people. And really and truly, why me I go do back another vlog and why me I do this vlog on the story? Because me not too want dip on this thing because it's a very sad thing, my people. You understand? Very sad thing. But it's based on the fact, my people, where a lot of people been posting stuff, been saying stuff, reaching out to me. You understand? No joke, my people. Reality, me I tell you now. And I say NEWLINK, them sacred the youth. Aidonia and him, whatever, sacred the youth. My viewers and my subscribers. Me decided to me not go say nothing about it, you know. But you see, really and truly, I'm a vlogger. You understand? I'm an influencer. You get what me I say? Big YouTuber. Well, a lot of people know. Thousands of people are listening to. And if me not come forward and say something about this to people always go have in them ears. So you see, them people who are taught these things and who have said these things, they have to hushing up. They have to shutting up and say, just una every big man thing. No joke about it, una wicked. Zin? Because now we know people. Una don't know what this brother got through right now, you know. Zin and him wife. Una don't know where them are got through, you know. Not see much artists to them are Aidonia are enemy. Zin, even a pour out love, even popcorn, you know. You know what I mean? Because this is a reality thing, you know, my people. This little soldier, this little warrior will drop out, you know. And these are the remarks a lot of uno are going to pass and say, yo, me are telling you the truth. And anybody at all, you know, could have close to me and come to me then every me I go run nowhere like when I run with everybody. Zin, who are come to me about it. Zin, my people, look into this. Reality and truthful, my people. Zin, Aidonia. You don't know much love Aidonia upon a real level. I mean, I pick up for Donia, you know, because me and Donia never, you know what I mean, back then, long time people. You know what I mean, me meet him and talk to him, long time. Zin that before him get so big on them thing there. But people, recently me and them and then have no conversation, no linkage or nothing. I mean, I pick up for him and I back him, you know what I mean. But reality, you know much love Aidonia after this local youth, yeah? Khalif, you know much love Aidonia after this. You know much love Kimberly after this youth, yeah? And I can tell you this, my people. All if them get 10 more youth, them never are gonna get over the fact of losing this local warrior, right? That's some people. Two of them love him. So when you now go mention and talk about sacred thing, my people, on a real level, a straight attack for Uno. Attack for Uno. Because reality, it don't make no sense. My viewers and my subscribers. This local youth, because you know one who say, we not talk, we not speculate, we no want to say, yo, I want to kill him one day, they just dead such strong local youth. This local youth, recently people, he wasn't strong. You understand? He wasn't. This youth been going through problems. He was ill, my people. He must suffer from some brain tumors, cancer up in him head, my people. You get what me I say? And back and forth, my people, they keep this privately because them local youth are got through affairs. Them no need to come publicly and announce their local youth going through this. They keep this private, dealing with this situation, my viewers and subscribers. Flying out this youth back and forth from Jamaica to overseas seeking treatment, my people. Unfortunately, my viewers and subscribers, his time has come. You understand? They fight, they try their best, my people. Spend millions of dollars to save this youth, my people. And this is it. Money, you see money, my people, you could have much millions of dollars, billions of dollars, my people. But money cannot, bring you back. You know what I mean? And people that say money can save life. Money, it can save life in certain ways, yes. But when there is certain things what money can do, you could have been the richest man, Elon Musk. It cannot. When the time has really reached. And sadly, my people, This youth have gone this way at the age of 9, peacefully, sadly. You get what me I say? So, when you not going to mention and say, Aidonia sacred, my people. What Aidonia could I really want to sacred this youth for now? Aidonia is a legend in a dance hall. And I'm telling you the reality. I mean, I pick up phenomenon. Zin. Aidonia is a legend in a dance hall. Aidonia sings hit song with people, sang hit song where him no need to go back in a studio and record another song for getting shows from people. This is how a good dancehall artist Aidonia is. See? Because this man going on any show and giving a lyrics songs from over 3, 4, 5 years ago, and him still gonna rock the show without giving you a new song, my people. I'm telling that. Still receiving hundreds of bookings. You know? So why, my people, Aidonia I go do this? Aidonia have a show the day, before, you know what I mean? So the youth passes away today, my people, and him have a show tomorrow. You understand? The same day when them youth passes away, him have a show too. So why we not go think them way and put in these negative thoughts about the artists, my people? On a real level. Aidonia set himself, him not one of them fool artists there. Him build a mansion out of music already, my people. Him estate where him live. Big place, me I tell him. Have him luxury car, them do whatever him a do, my people. Make him big, you know. Him wife is a smart lady, my people. Business-minded people. You get what me I say? And the love and passion of them got for this youth, my viewers and subscribers. Sacred of them nowhere near. So I know say if there's a point, my people, where sacred are there and we see it and we know and we get any real thing, we just say, yeah, definitely. But this youth, my people, was battling with cancer. Zine, many people like call that word, they come on wicked and cruel word, you know, my people, like the most evilous and devious thing on earth. We take out too much people from earth amongst us and how much I will love one, you know. Zine, so many people like call the word, but that's what I'm saying for everybody who out there speculating and talking and saying these things. Please, me I beg you, no stop. The family is going through some tough and rough times now. You understand? I don't know, go through some tough times now. No joke about it, and people who know the entertainer and be around him say, yo, him man a go through a lot because the love what this man have for this little youth here. Even though them know say him a battle this thing with people, them not praying in their mind, so them a go lose him, them a praying in their mind and a push out every hour say he gonna be here with us. You understand? King Khalif, that's why them give him that name, them call him that name. And sadly the warrior, my people, him drop out. Him drop out. Zine, my people, we have to understand what is life. We know say these are celebrities and we know say, you know what I mean, they're in the game here. You know what I mean? And we see things can happen to anybody. Anybody can lose a loved one because remember, you know, the Almighty bring us on earth, my people. We never met ourselves, you know. You know what I mean? And God know all our destiny. The Almighty know all our destiny. So when we there, we have do this and we do that, my people. And that's why sometimes we go on the road and you see something do happen, occurred, my people. And you manage to survive, you manage to make it out, you know what I mean? Car turn over with man, car broke up in pieces and not even scratched up on the man. And you have to think I want that, so it's not him time, my people. You understand? God have him for more purpose. And sometimes people need to look in these signs and say, God, give me another chance. You know what I mean? The believe when I never believe in him, now I need to start show believe and show how true there's an Almighty. But a lot of people fail to do these things to people. You know what I mean? They feel. You get me? See, my people, it's sad enough. I feel it for Aidonia, my people. Because I tell you, the man love the local youth. The wife love him. The youth go around a lot of entertainers in the business and them can tell you, oh, such a nice local youth this. You know what I mean? Also that jovial youth. And if you're looking at them pictures, them people, and looking at them face, you can just see like recent pictures like, you know, he never 100, my people. He never 100. This youth never 100. You know, but as I say, Dona put up a fight for him, my people. He put up a fight. He put up a warrior fight. He put up a father fight. Kimberly, she stand up. She put up a mother fight, my people. Them do whatever it takes. Them push out them all to save him. You know what I mean? To make him stay. But as I say, my people, the Almighty know all our destiny. The Almighty God up above. But all I have to say again before I even go is that King Khalif fly high in heaven. You understand? Heaven, you would fly high in heaven. And your mommy, your papa, them love you. You know what I mean? Aidonia, Kimberly, they love you. And for the world out there, And everybody who's speculating for the last time, I beg you, please, looking on yourself. You understand? Looking on yourself. Please watch my video. Share the vlog because I want people out there to get the message, I understand. Looking on yourself. Think before you talk. You understand? This family right now is going through a lot. Put them in your thoughts, put them in your heart. You know what I mean? But please, stop, church. Do me a beg, stop. Please, stop, church. My people, big up on yourself, more love, more respect and more blessings, and just thanks the love, thanks to the support, my people, the like, the share, and every comment. You don't know, say one team, one dream, one scheme, my people, and I one attacking boss. And again, wow, King Khalif, rest in peace. Sleep in peace, warrior. Peace out, my people. Blessings. Big up. I'm out.